The Vivo S50 and the S50 Pro Mini are set to launch in China on December 15th. The S50 Pro Mini will be available in space black, white, and purple shades. In terms of design, the Vivo S50 Pro Mini will feature a horizontal camera module similar to the iPhone Air. It features a large primary sensor, paired with an ultra-wide lens and a 50MP Sony IMX882 periscope telephoto camera. A 50MP sensor for selfies. The company confirmed the S50 Pro Mini's chipset, it's the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5. The S50 Pro Mini will include a 6.3-inch flat display with 1.5K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. Vivo also revealed that the S50 Pro Mini will pack a 6,500 mAh battery with 90W wired and 40W wireless charging support. This device will be rebranded as the Vivo X300 FE globally. The global variant may debut in the first quarter of 2026. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.